Good morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to see the continuity of algebra. Okay, today's topic addition and subtraction of polynomials. First of all, I recall variables, constants, coefficients, etc. That is 10, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. All are constants. That is fixed numerical value. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers எல்லாமே என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Algebraic constants. Okay. Then next one variables. That is x, a, b, c, comma x, y, z, etc. Okay, all are variables. Okay va? So here variables la value change ஆகும், differ ஆகும். But numerical value not for change. Okay. Here 7x squared. Here coefficient of x squared is 7. Coefficient of x squared is 7. Okay. Then next one, like terms, unlike terms. Very very important. Like terms and unlike terms. Then 7x squared, comma 9x squared. Both are like terms. Then 6x. Then 7x squared, comma 9x squared and 6x. Here 3 terms are unlike terms. So இது ரெண்டே எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா 7x squared and 6x both are unlike terms. Okay, unlike terms. The like terms na same power இருக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? but coefficient differ ஆகும், no problem. Okay, so 7x squared and 6x squared both are like terms. Unlike terms na different power இருக்கும், coefficient not a problem. Okay, right. Next, degree of the polynomial. For example, 7xy plus 10x cube, okay, and then plus 10 into x squared y to the power 7. Here degree of the polynomial is here 1 plus 1 2, okay, here 3. Next there 2 plus 7 9. So degree of the polynomial is 9. Okay, here we need, right. Next we need the concept of like terms, unlike terms. So 7x squared and 6x squared both are like terms. So today's topic addition and subtraction of polynomials. Like terms only added like terms and subtracted like terms. So unlike terms add பண்ண முடியாது, subtract பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, right. For example, add a of x and q of x. A of x is equal to 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 and q of x is equal to 6x squared minus 7x plus 5. So adhu mari 7x squared then 10x squared both are like terms. So idhula x squared common edukalam, x squared then 7 plus 10 17. So 17x squared or 7x squared idu oru type la add pannalam. 7x squared plus 10x squared that is equal to, here taking x squared as common, then x squared. Okay, then 7 plus 10. Okay, the one common factor x squared எடுத்துக்கலாம். Then 7 plus 10 that is equal to 17x squared. Both are same. Okay, right. நீங்க எந்த மெத்தட் வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Also subtraction 10x squared minus 7x squared. Here also taking x squared as common. Okay, x squared as common. Then 10 minus 7 3 as usual subtraction. 10 minus 7 3 that is equal to 3x squared. So in the middle apply பண்ணலாம். 10x squared minus 7x squared as usual. Then taking x squared as common, then 10 minus 7 into x squared. So 10 minus 7 into x squared ரெண்டே இருக்குதுனால காமனா எடுத்துறோம். So 10 into x squared 10x squared minus 7 into x squared minus 7x squared. Okay, then 10 minus 7 3x squared. So நீங்க என்ன மெத்தட் வேணாலும் அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். So இதெல்லாம் என்ன கான்செப்ட், லைக் டேர்ம்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் ஆட் பண்ண முடியும், சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ரைட். Then 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 that is p of x plus 6x squared minus 7x plus 15. So இது ஆட் பண்றது மாதிரி ஒரு simple concept. Then plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 we get plus 5. Okay, plus 2 plus 3 we get plus 5. Then minus 2 minus 3 we get minus 5. As usual, the same sign. So we have to positive add sign a common add பண்ணாச்சு. Taking plus as common, then 2 plus 3 5. Also taking minus as common, that is minus 2 minus 3. We are taking minus as common, then 2 plus 3. Minus into plus minus 2. That means minus 1. So minus 1 minus into plus minus 1 into 2 2. Then minus into plus minus 1 into 3 3. Okay. So minus 1 into 2 plus 3 5. That is equal to minus into plus minus 1 into 5 5 minus 5. Concept okay? Right. Next one 5 minus 2. Okay, 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. That is equal to as usual 5 minus 2 3. Greater number of sign plus, so plus 3. Okay. Also minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Here also as usual subtraction. 5 minus 2 3. Greater number of sign minus. Okay, minus 3. Rendu difference puriyunga. 5 minus 2 plus 3. Greater number of sign plus, so plus 3. Minus 5 plus 2 we get minus 3. Okay, greater number of sign minus 3. Sorry, minus, so minus 3. Okay, right. Here 6x squared, 6x squared, both are like terms. So taking x squared as common, 6 plus 6 12, 12x squared. Then here also taking x as common and also sign minus 7 plus 7 14, that is minus 7 minus 7. Now some concept. So sign a common plus 7 plus 7 14 minus 14x. Also plus 17 plus common 2 plus 15 17. Or another method is 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 minus of plus 6x squared minus 7x plus 15. That is equal to 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 plus 6x squared minus 7x plus 15. That is equal to 6x squared plus 6x squared. Okay, 6x squared plus 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 plus 15. So like terms coordinate பண்ணியாச்சு. ஓகேங்களா? Then x squared power, then x இங்க variables இருக்கிற term எடுத்தாச்சு. Next constant term. Okay, 6 plus 6 12 x squared. That is here taking x squared as common, 6 plus 6 into x squared. Also taking minus x as common, minus x into 7 plus 7. Okay, ரெண்டு என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கு? minus x common எடுத்துட்டா 7 plus 7, that is minus into plus minus x into 7 7x, minus into plus minus x into 7 7x. Also plus 2 plus 15 17. Then 6 plus 6 12x squared minus x into 14 plus 17, that is equal to 12x squared minus 14x, plus into minus minus 14 into x 14x plus 17. That's all. Okay, next one. Subtract 7x squared plus 6x minus 1 from 6x minus 9. So from 6x minus 9. So 6x minus 9 la irundhu subtract panna solranga. 6x minus 9, then 7x squared plus 6x minus 1. Okay, inga 0x squared ena here x squared term missing. Okay, x squared term missing, so adding 0x squared. 0 into x squared 0, multiply 0 with any number is 0. Okay, 0x squared. So subtract, so sign opposite எடுத்துட்டு add பண்ணிடலாம். So minus 7x squared, then plus 6x minus 6x cancel, minus 9 plus 1 we get minus 8 minus 9 plus 1. So sign change பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் change பண்ண sign தான் பார்க்கணும். So minus 8. ஓகேவா? minus 8 minus 7x squared minus 8. சார் இது கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுது சார் அப்படினா 6x minus 9 minus of very important minus of 7x squared plus 6x minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 6x minus 9 minus into plus minus 7x squared. For example, க்கு 1 ன்னு வெச்சுக்கலாம். நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். No problem. Minus into plus minus 1 into 7x squared 7x squared. Minus into plus minus 1 into 6x 6x. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. Okay, then 6x sorry, plus 6x minus 6x cancel. Then minus 7x squared minus 9 plus 1, that is equal to minus 8. Okay, okay, minus 7x squared minus 8. That's all. Okay, multiplication and division of polynomials. We know the concept. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. For example, x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 5 6 plus 5, that is equal to x to the power 11. So multiplication the same base in the power add பண்ணோம். Next division, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, that is a to the power m minus n. For example, x to the power 6 divided by x to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to x to the power 1. This is a laws of exponents. Okay, we are using laws of exponents. Okay, first one monomial by a monomial. For example, x square into x to the power 4, that is equal to x to the power 2 plus 4, that is equal to x to the power 6. That is monomial by a monomial. Then x squared into the monomial, then x to the power 4 another monomial. Okay, right. Second one, binomial by a monomial. Binomial by a monomial, that is 4x. Second one, 4x into 5x plus 6y. That is here 4x is a monomial, then 5x plus 6y, that is binomial. Okay, then 4x into 5x 20x squared, then 4 5s are 20, x into x squared, that is x to the power 1 into x to the power 1 is equal to x to the power 2. Also 4x into 6y, then plus into plus 4 6 are 24, then x into y xy. That's all. Okay, next one, trinomial by a monomial. Trinomial by a monomial. Third one, trinomial by a monomial. Okay, trinomial by a monomial. A squared plus b squared minus ab into 2a squared b squared. 2a squared b squared, that is equal to a squared into 2a squared b squared. So 2 into a to the power 4, that is a squared into a squared is equal to a to the power 4. 2 into a to the power 4 b squared. So plus into plus. Then next one, b squared into 2a squared b squared. So plus into plus 2 a squared, right? A squared into b squared b to the power 4. Then b squared into b squared is equal to b to the power 2 plus 2, that is equal to b to the power 4. Next one, minus into plus minus. Here minus plus. Okay, minus into plus minus 2 a into a squared a cube. Then a squared into a is 1. Then a cube. Also b into b squared b cube. That's all. Okay, next one, division of polynomial by a polynomial. So இது ஒரு ஃபார்ம், இது ஒரு polynomial, இது ஒரு polynomial கன்சிடர் பண்ணிடலாம், ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. நெக்ஸ்ட், டிவிஷன் ஆஃப் monomial by a monomial. Division of monomial by a monomial. Okay, division of monomial by a monomial. First one, 34x cube divide 17x square. For example, right? Then 34 into x cube divided by 17x square. That is equal to then 2 into 17. 2 17s are 34. Okay, 2 17s are 34 into x squared into x to the power of 1. So same base the common number 2 plus 1 3. Okay, right, divided by 17 x squared. Okay, that is equal to 117 is 17, 117 is 17. 2 into x squared cancel, then 2x. Okay, or இன்னொரு மெத்தட் நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். 117 is 17, 217s are 34. That is equal to x cube divided by x squared. That is equal to x to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to x. Then 2x. 2x வந்துரும். Okay, right. Next one, polynomial by a monomial. Here 10x to the power 4 into y to the power 4 plus 20x cube y to the power 4 plus 5x cube y cube. That is a polynomial by a monomial. 5x cube y cube. Then second one, 10x to the power 4 y to the power 4 divided by 7 plus 20x cube y to the power 4 plus 5x cube y cube divided by 5x cube y cube. So இதுல இந்த 5x cube y cube each term ஓட டிவைட் பண்ணுவோம். That is 10x to the power 4 y to the power 4 divided by 5 into x cube y cube plus then 20 x cube y to the power 4 divided by 5x cube y cube. Okay, plus 5 x cube y cube divided by 5 x cube y cube. Okay, that is 1 5 is 2 5s are 10, that is 2. Then x to the power 4 divided by x cube, that is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3, that is equal to x to the power 1. Then x to the power 1. Also y to the power 4 divided by y cube, that also y to the power 1 plus 1 5 is 5, 4 5s are 20. Then 4 into x cube cancel, then y to the power 4 divided by y cube is equal to y to the power 4 minus 3, that is equal to y to the power 1. 4 into y to the power 1, 5 cancel, x cube cancel, y cube cancel, plus 1. That's all. Thank you.